What's on? So basically for today's video, I'm gonna be like doing a video where I check out like a couple parks in Indiana on the western side and all that. The parks are kind of like close to Indianapolis, like an hour west of the place. So that's what I'm basically gonna be doing for today's video. I think there's supposed to be some like waterfall areas and possibly might be able to do swimming. I don't know for sure. But basically, I'm gonna end up like stopping at this like rest area a little bit like closer to home. So I'm gonna show some footage of that. So basically now I'm at like a second rest area. Just like got to the state line. I'm like about, I would say like 20 minutes, like half an hour away from the parks. Right now I ended up like just switching time zones, so it's like almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern time, which would mean like almost noon Central time. Proof that I just switched time zones. Okay, so I made it to like the first park I'm gonna be checking out. Sort of like this nice lake here. It's like 1:45 Eastern time, so kind of a late start today, but I mean I did also switch time zones, so it'll only be like 12:45 at home, so walk across here. Okay, so it's now 2:30. So I'm like doing this like little trail that they have here. I don't know like how long the trail is and if it's like a loop or just like there and back, but it's just kind of a nature trail around this park. And so far there hasn't been a whole lot to do at this place, but there is a lot of nice scenery though, at least. There is like an area where you can go swimming, but I'm still deciding if I'm gonna go swimming there or not, because I mean there's kind of a limited range of where you can swim, and there was also a lot of people there earlier too, so I'll have some time to decide. Probably just gonna like kind of like check out the rest of this part before I decide if I want to go back there and swim a little bit or not. Nice little tunnel here. So hope you enjoyed me kind of walking across this tunnel. Wasn't expecting to see that on this trail, so nice little aspect of the trail and nice way to get some shade as well. Okay, so just made it back to the parking area. So hope you enjoyed me kind of doing this for a little bit, and I'll see you guys if I decide to do anything else at this park, or I'll see you guys for the next park that I go to. Okay, so it's a little after 4 o'clock Eastern time, so I made it to the second park I'm going to be checking out. Definitely looks like it's like more interesting than the first place I went to. Really nice waterfall here. They have another little bridge. It's kind of similar to a bridge I walked through like last summer when I went exploring somewhere. But they have like picnic tables in here. So I hope you enjoyed me checking out this bridge out. A nice place to like get some shade and all that because it is pretty hot outside. So now I'm gonna check out more of the park. I think there's like a lower waterfall view. That was like the upper part. So I'm gonna go down there and I'll see you guys when I get there. Making my way down to like the lower part of the waterfall. Making my way to like the waterfall area so I can get a better view. Okay, so it's a little after 6:30 Eastern time. So I ended up like making it to like this area here. It's like another waterfall view, except this time I'm probably not gonna go swimming. I do hope you enjoyed me going swimming earlier. It was kind of like a last minute decision and kind of brought me back to the days whenever I like filmed the videos, like whenever I did the Tennessee day trip and all that and visited all the waterfalls there and like went swimming under the waterfall. It's kind of brought me back to those days and whenever I did that trip, and didn't have to drive anywhere near as far as I did for that one too. So I'm gonna like go get a view of this real quick. I don't know if I'm gonna be stopping anywhere like on the way home, but I'm probably gonna be heading towards home. So I kind of have to see if there's like anywhere like cool that I can stop at on the way home, or if I'm just gonna like end it off after here. So just made it back into the central time zone a little bit ago. Stopping at a rest area here. Okay, so it's like almost 8:30 Central Time now. So I would say I'm about like an hour and a half away from home now. So about pretty much halfway done with this drive. So I hope you enjoyed me kind of like doing something new today and checking out some new parks and like a mini like getaway road trip. So I definitely enjoyed the second park more than the first park, but both parks are still really nice to check out and see and all that. Subscribe and keep my post notifications on to see what to do next. Stay tuned for the next video I'm gonna be having out. So I don't know like if the next video I have out is gonna be like a video where I like go to Illinois, like check out some new places in southern Illinois that I've never been to before, or I might be having my first road trip video out as my next video, so kind of had to see what happens. But without further ado, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Go!